けられています。機内の備品に不正に手を加えたり、無断で持ち帰ることは法律で禁じられており、罰金または起訴の対象となる場合がございます。機内は化粧室を含め全面禁煙で、各所に煙探知機が設置されております。説明いたしました内容について何かご不明な部分がございましたら、キャビンクルーにお尋ねいただくか、座席ポケットにございます安全のしおりでご確認ください。それでは快適な空の旅をごゆっくりとお楽しみください。Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Chieko. I'm your customer service manager on today's flight. And on behalf of Captain Kurebayashi, First Officer Tamashiro, and our entire crew, I'd like to extend a very warm welcome aboard your Jester flight GK110, bound for Narita International Airport, operating in conjunction with our codeshare partners, Japan Airlines and Qantas Airways. We sincerely apologize for our delayed departure due to the late arrival of this aircraft. Thank you for your understanding. If your electronic devices, including mobile phones, are equipped with flight mode, please switch into flight mode now. If your device is not equipped with this feature, it should be switched off and remain off for the duration of the flight. Smoking is not permitted anywhere on the aircraft. Remember, we're here to look after you, so if there is anything we can do for you throughout the flight, please do not hesitate to ask. Please make yourselves comfortable, and once again, welcome aboard. しまして、機内の照明を暗くいたします。お手元に明かりが必要なお客様は頭上の読書灯をご利用ください。Ladies and gentlemen, for your comfort, we'll be dimming the main candle lights. If you wish to continue reading, you find the reading light in the panel above you. Thank you.